I'm Gary McEachern for RMHS Now. These are the announcements for May 20th, Day 6, 1997. All money for sale of May orbits are due today. Please bring money or unsold copies of the orbit to room A4 of orbit room A114 after school today. Elections will be held today for class officers, student council, and student advisory council. Are you a sports fan or participant and a would-be writer or journalist? A unique opportunity is here to represent RMHS on a monthly sports magazine for Greater Boston schools. The magazine is school/sports and features students in sports from Marblehead to the north, Canton to the south, Westwood to the west of Boston, and all in between. You may write about sports, hear of an opinion on high school sports in general. The magazine will be published monthly throughout the Boston area next year. Please see Mrs. Starrett in the business department if you're interested. A114. Attention, there will be a clothing/can/toy drive next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, May 21st, 25th, to assist children who are victims of AIDS. The children range from infants to teens. Clothes, diapers, sheets, towels, canned food, and baby food and toys would all be appreciated. There will be a drop box in the front lobby on May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd for all those who wish to contribute. Attention juniors. 9X through the Bay State Games is offering 6 scholarships. Winners will be selected, 2 from each area code, number 617, 508, and 413, to any junior who participates in every phase of Massachusetts Amateur Sports Foundation activities, i.e. Bay State Winter Games, Bay State Summer Games, or MASF's Hot Shot Hoops, for which he or she qualifies. Applications are available in the guidance office and must be postmarked by Friday, May 30th, 1997. Students who are in need of identification on June 7th, 1997, when taking the SAT 1 and 2, should come to the guidance